Hey there, everyone. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins looking at the weekend forecast. Let's look into the weekend. Now, first we'll see what happened today. Very mild day. Look at these temperatures all the way up through Minnesota down to San Antonio. These are the low temperatures. I mean, typically in February, these could be the highs. Way above average. Even International Falls here, well above. I mean, 36. That's above their average high for this time of year. So obviously warm temperatures for your highs all the way through Denver, International Falls, really the eastern two-thirds of the U.S. warmer than it should be. And even these temperatures here aren't too shabby. So definitely seeing a very warm middle part of, well, first half of February. We are going to see these temperatures eventually come back down to normal. But it's going to take a while. Now, what we're watching is this cold front. There's a cold front right about there. And this is moving south and east slowly. So eastern and southeastern half of the U.S., much warmer than the northwestern half. But how much warmer? Well, we're talking double digits above average. Look at Indianapolis, 27 degrees above normal for Friday. But we're starting to see the cooler air over here while the warmer air is over here. So things are going to transition over the next few days. In fact, here's Saturday. That cold front just a little bit further south and east. Oklahoma City, Indianapolis, New York, starting to see the cooler air. International Falls getting closer to normal with 23. So things are transitioning still, though warmer, not as warm above average for the eastern half of the state, and double digits below average now for the western half of the U.S. So eastern half of the U.S., warmer, western half of the U.S., cooler. Things will continue to get cooler and cooler. And here's case in point. Look at this, the cold front just a little bit further south. Now it's actually further south and east of Oklahoma City and Indianapolis and New York. So the northwestern two-thirds, maybe a little more, cooler by Sunday afternoon. And the south, and this is about normal. This is about where we're supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to look like this time of year. So temperature still now single digits above and below for the most part. Above or below normal for the high temperature anomaly. That's status quo. Maybe a little cooler in some spots, maybe a little warmer in others, but overall pretty normal as we get into Sunday and then much of next week. Now, thunderstorms are going to be possible Friday and Saturday. For Friday, we're looking at this area right here, which is from about St. Louis to Dallas to Atlanta. And then for Saturday, it's a little further south. You're looking at a couple of different areas here, just south of the Four Corners, and then Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and then into the deep south. It looks like Mississippi into Alabama. Even Tennessee might see some thunderstorms. So part of the reason behind it is the jet stream. That kind of acts like a vacuum, and it increases the chance for thunderstorms to pop up. And it goes all the way from, Mexico into, it looks like almost Kentucky, Indiana, very close to Ohio. So let's put this into motion as we head through Thursday into Friday. Notice that area of pink. So this area right here has your best chance. That's a really strong, very fast jet stream, and that's where you could see some thunderstorms. So let's go through the instability. This is the fuel that you need. So not only do you have the jet stream that is going really, really fast and trying to suck up thunderstorms, you have the instability, which is fuel, which means it's unstable air, the instability. And right now, this is Friday afternoon, from about St. Louis southwest to Houston and Dallas. By Friday night, still kind of that same area, and then by Saturday afternoon, it shifts south and east. I don't think the Cape for the east is really going to do much, but that area from Louisiana to southern Texas could see some strong storms. So here's your GFS model. This will kind of show us where the thunderstorm potential is. Here's your first chance right there. Notice the snow over here, but this right here, that's your chance for some thunderstorms that could be on the strong side. Then moving forward, we've got even more chances here. So really, anytime thunderstorms pop up in this area over the weekend, some of them could be on the strong to severe side. We're talking large hail, damaging wind, maybe an isolated tornado. This isn't a full-blown severe weather outbreak, just a chance for some strong storms, and then the heavier snow falling in the Rocky Mountains and the upper elevations. As we head into Sunday afternoon, again, this chance right here for some strong to severe storms. And that snow potential, look at that. The panhandle of Texas might see some strong storms. That's just, what a year. Okay, surface features look like this. Here's the cold front. That's going to eventually drag down to the south, and that's going to kind of be another portion of the puzzle, another piece of the puzzle that will spark some thunderstorms. So by Saturday, there's that cold front right there. As it runs into that instability, as it runs into that jet stream, that area is going to have that chance for thunderstorms. Then as we head into Sunday, it gets a little further south, and again, Louisiana towards eastern portions of Texas. That area right there is going to have the better chance for some thunderstorms because all of the ingredients are there for stronger storms. Again, a severe weather outbreak not expected, but the chance for thunderstorms definitely there. And some heavy rain. We've got this area right here through Sunday night. Could see anywhere from 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches of snow or of rain, and then your snow potential is going to be over here. So speaking of snow potential, there you go. This Texas, Oklahoma, the panhandles could see some heavier snow, and then this goes all the way, basically the upper elevations, even into Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, northern half of Minnesota, but much of the eastern half of the U.S., not going to see much. We could use some moisture too. Here's a few spots that I'm going to highlight. You're looking at Iowa, needs some rain. They've got an extreme drought in the northeastern corner, extreme to exceptional drought for parts of New Mexico, and then parts of southern Texas seeing an extreme drought, and then over just south of Memphis seeing the extreme to exceptional drought as well. So there are some spots that desperately need the moisture. 6 to 10 day outlook. This is starting the second half of February, starting on Valentine's Day. Eastern portion of the U.S. seeing a below normal for precipitation, and then the greens and the darker shades of greens, that's where you see the better chance for moisture. As far as temperatures are concerned, Minneapolis might be a little warmer than average, the West Coast might be a little warmer than average, and then a little cooler for the southeastern third of the U.S. So that's what we have for you now. Like and subscribe if you could. That would be fantastic, helps me out. And I'll try to have another update tomorrow. Bye.